Tired of long walks through contested sectors? Enemy snipers ruining your morning stride? Say hello to Igni Express. "900 meters in 3 seconds flat."
4 if there's headwind.
Reggie, shut up. I'm doing the voiceover.
Accuracy matters in advertising. Assassin. We can't guarantee 3 seconds if it's windy.
It's a hook. Nobody buys a ticket for 4 seconds. Just let me finish the...
Cut! We go again. Come on, guys. Act professional.
Hey, Wolf.
No.
You don't even know what I was going to ask. Who are those guys?
Today, we are travel agents.
You're what?
We're reducing commute times.
You're planting explosives under a vehicle.
Correct.
How does that reduce commute time?
You skip the driving part.
I'm listening.
Current destination?
The radio tower.
1,200 meters.
6 seconds.
6 seconds?
7 if there's headwind.
That's not transportation.
Technically, it's artillery with passengers.
Okay, that's it. We should...
Wolf, we have to try this.
No.
For science.
No.
For, friendship.
I cannot believe I'm participating in this.
Try not to scream.
I can do that.
You absolutely cannot.
Ready?
Wait.
This is amazing!
Good trajectory.
Slight drift left.
I hate every one of you.
I can see my house from here!
Is that a rocket?
Nice shot.
That strange-looking helicopter keeps coming back.
Good thing you got it.
I hate helicopters.
Mm-hmm.
And jets.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes birds. Did I say helicopters?
Mm-hmm.
Once a flying toaster scared me.
Mm-hmm.
Blew it right out of the sky.
Mm-hmm.